Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, English Grade 2, Quarter 3, Lesson 1, Day 2. Topics: CVCE word patterns, sight words, vocabulary words about community. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. Identify grade 2 level appropriate sight words. Decode words with CVCE patterns accurately and automatically. Use vocabulary referring to one's community and express one's ideas and experiences in the community. Here's Community Helpers Song. Sing with your teacher. Community helpers are people whose job is to help others or give services. They work together. Everyone who lives in a community can be a community helper. A. Vocabulary building, unlocking. One of the most important community helpers is our street sweepers. They are responsible for the sanitation of our streets. Their services include sweeping dirt and putting away trash properly. They do this using cleaning supplies like a broom, dustpan, and garbage bags. Sanitation. Sanitation. Process of making things or places clean. Supplies. Supplies. Things that you need to get work done. Services. Work done. B. Before reading, class, today you will read a text about different community helpers. As you read, remember each helper and the specific jobs they do. Think about how they help the community. That will be our motive for reading. C. During reading, we will have a shared reading activity. I will assign each group a paragraph to read aloud. The text we'll read together is entitled, "Thank You, Community Workers." Let's take turns and read it as a class. Let's read. Nurses care for us when we are sick. If you're thankful, clap your hands. Delivery workers bring us meals. If you're thankful, clap your hands. Sanitation workers get rid of our trash. If you're thankful, clap your hands. Grocer sells us the food we need. If you're thankful, clap your hands. Mail carriers bring us mail and packages. If you're thankful, clap your hands. D. Post reading. First question. What groups of community helpers were discussed in the story? Answer: nurses, delivery workers, sanitation workers, grocers, and mail carriers. Second, why should we thank our community helpers or workers? Answer, because they help us in our daily needs and keep our community safe and clean. Third, in what ways can we thank them or show appreciation? Answer, we can say thank you, smile at them, follow rules, and respect their work. A. Polite expressions. 1. We can call the police officers when we need help. 2. The work that they do is important. 3. We can buy goods like meat from vendors in the market. 4. Community workers are always happy to help us. B. Decoding practice or fluency. CVCE words, long A and I. Let's read. Cane, same, fade, days, date, take, name, cave, make, gave, haze, wave, rake, gate, bake, save, ape, game, tape, ate, made, lake, came, cake. Bite, dine, nine, ride, vine, mile, dime, pipe, hike, time, life, 5, kite, side, mine, hide, lime, pile, pine, tide, wide, fine, bike, like. Complete the following sentences. 1. I learned that a community is a group of people living and working together. 2. The magic E rule states that the letter E makes the vowel say its name. 3. People in the community like a teacher, a nurse, a police officer help us stay safe and learn. Class, we will have a matching activity. You will match the words we learned in class with their correct meanings. After that, you will try to use these words in your own sentences. Number 1. Volunteer. Answer F. To spend time helping each other for free. Number 2. Services. Answer D. Work done. 3. Sanitation. Answer A. The process of making things or places clean. Number 4. Neighbors. Answer B. People who live near you. 5. Community. Answer E. People who live together in one place, share similarities, and work together. 6. Supplies. Answer C. Things that you need to get work done. Sight words review. Practice reading the following words, then copy the words 2 times. Let's read. Always, always. Because, because. Call, call. Buy, buy. Work, work. Read the following sentences. Box the sight words after. Let's answer. First, James will call Anna. Answer, will. Second, we will work late today. Answer, will, today. Third, Pete was absent because he got sick. Answer, was, because, he. Fourth, Teacher Jane always gives notes to us. Answer, always. 2. And us. Fifth, can you buy bags of fruits in the market? Answer, can, you, in, the. For your homework, go around your community, then drop the places in your notebook. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!